All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. I'm doing a quick recap today. I had a really good day start, and I just over traded and messed up trading at Baba, and I closed my day with a really bad loss, like $6,000 loss kind of thing. So yeah. So the Baba was gapping up. The Chinese stock were really bouncing back. It was really nice at the open. Popped up above the VWAP. I went long for a 1 minute opening range breakup, and I was hoping to get the break of 182, which is the high of pre-market, but it just dropped on me like $2, and I got stopped out. And then it came through the R3. I tried to catch a bounce. It didn't. I got stopped out. Tried to catch another bounce at R2. I got stopped out. It's just brutally. And in the last one, I got tried to catch another one through this previous day close levels. And again, it just stopped out. I should have really let it go. It's just brutally sold off. It's just no mercy on it. And usually the stocks that are gapping up, usually they show some sort of support, and this, it never showed even a double bottom. And I really should have waited for confirmation before really getting in that. So just 3-4 losses really bad on it, and I just lost everything. But Apple was good. Apple was really nice. 1 minute opening range break up, opened really strong. I went long, popped up to 149, sold off, and I got it stopped out at the break even. Again, it came back up. I added above the VWAP, and for the next run, and all the way up to 149.70. I got it stopped out. So RDUS was also a trade. This is the low float stock of the day, and this is what I did a 1 minute opening range breakup. Brian also did it. I also got in just just right at the open, just a small size at 21, popped up to above 22, and then after that again I went up at 22 with Brian for the break of 23, but we kind of almost lost it around around 23. So, did you play it also, Brian?
Yeah, I did. You took it the first time. I didn't take that, but it went in. It sort of pulled back a little bit after that first pop, and that's when I got in when it started to break out again. So,
Yeah. Well, anyways, so I mean, I'm closing day with 5,500. Of course, I'm also have that. I also have these positions on TNA and SPXL. It's moving up. So we'll see how it does. Market seems strong. IWM bounced back, so and obviously TNA is bouncing back as well. Bitcoin made all-time high. Congrats to Jared and everyone who is in this investing in this asset. And yeah, that was awesome. So I'm gonna miss trading tomorrow, because I'm doing a meeting tomorrow. I have to fly right now. But I'll see you on definitely maybe in the afternoon session, or maybe in the in Friday. Thank you so much, guys. Brian, I hope you had a good day, better than me. And,
yeah, I did.
Yeah, I'm going to New York City. I'll let you know tomorrow or on Friday what was the meeting. It's an interesting meeting. I'm gonna let you know what is it about. It's in New York City, and yeah, I'll just go for 2 nights, quickly come back. Thank you so much, and see you all. Cheers.